Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into INFINIX HOT 11. First of all, open your Google application, this one. And then in the top right corner we got Google account icon. So click it and choose settings. Here I need to choose voice and then voice match. And now you need to click here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Then give access to your assistant with Hey Google, click next, agree to voice match, yes I agree, and now Hey Google is ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.